That's right, we're back with another themed giveaway.
Yeah, we're ready to deliver with beers from Russian River.
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. Vito, what have you been up to lately?
Recorded an amazing video with one of the legends in the beer community, Vinnie from Russian River. It was epic. Wow. Sitting down, having a beer with him, talking about recipes, hop creep, open top fermenters, all kinds of good stuff. We've got a video out there. If you haven't checked that out, go to our YouTube channel now and check it out.
Well, we've got a great themed giveaway this month. It's gonna be awesome, but first, let's go over last month's winners. We had 10 winners of the Flash Brewing kits. And these kits are amazing. If you haven't tried them out yet, please do, please consider it. But let's first give away those 10 kits. You can find those winners here, and here. Well, we all know what time it is. Vito.
It's time for another giveaway.
That's right. This month, a lucky winner is gonna win their choice of the Russian River kits that we sell. They're also gonna win their choice of an Oxbar keg, and they'll win a 1-year membership to Brew Your Own magazine.
We've got PLINY the Elder, my favorite blind pig, and then we also have CONSECRATION, which is not pictured here, but fun fact, it actually has chunks of wood from CONSECRATION barrels from Russian River itself. So it's one of our coolest kits, I think. Then also, you'll get your choice of the Oxbar kegs. And then last but not least, you get a 1-year subscription to BYO magazine, Brew Your Own magazine. Why we're giving that away? The interview I did, I also wrote an article for Brew Your Own magazine where Vinnie shares 5 recipes and super detailed notes on how to brew those beers. So it's be amazing. It's coming out soon, so check it out. You'll have your subscription, so you'll be receiving that magazine in the mail.
So what do you think, Vito? Should we just give 1 lucky winner, or maybe let's choose 3?
I think 3, let's do it.
All right, 3 lucky winners will win all of that. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway.
And as always, there's a super secret special deal on that Free Beer Friday page. So make sure you scroll down below the giveaway and take advantage of that.
All right, so what do you guys think? Have you brewed one of these Russian River kits? Have you used the Oxbar kegs or been interested in them? Have you had Brew Your Own in the past or currently a member now? This will just add another year to that. Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on it. As always, we'll choose a lucky winner or 2 to get rewarded next month.
And speaking of which, the comment gift card winner here
and here. Well, that's it. Enjoy the last few days of summer and we'll see you next month.